Good morning to one and all. Respect Principal, Father, Roshir Manbamble, Vice Principal, Father, Supreme Court, my dear teachers, and last but not the least, my dear friends and parents. Myself, Abdul Hadi, with the students of UKGB, along with our teachers presenting. Today assembly, Incredible India. Watch and enjoy. I am Anna Sarala Roy of UKGB. Prayer is the key of God's ways and blessing. With the help of God only we can achieve goal in our life. I invite John A. Joshi for the play song. He shall love me, this shall know. For the Bible tells me son, let him one for him belong. We are weak, but my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of it, rich and very heritage. I shall always try to be better of it. I shall go my parents, teachers, all elders, represent everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, my birth, my devotion, and there will be property alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. I am Veda P. Anu of UKGB. I invite Jewel Alex Daniel to say today's thought for the day. A good thought help us to put a good start in our life. Myself, Jewel Alex is here to present today's thought for the day. Children, you are God's gift in the hands of your parents. Good morning, all. Myself, Leona John of UKGB is here to welcome you all to today's assembly. With great pressure and love, I would like to welcome the vibrant backbone of our school, our beloved Principal, Father Joshi Manbam. Welcome, Father. It's my pleasure to welcome our charming and active Vice Principal, Father Subin Gotu. Welcome, Father. Mother and mother of my teachers. Our teaching judge, Lalita ma'am. Welcome, ma'am. Teachers, in this pandemic, this my love and care. You are molding us. you all. Last but not the least, I welcome my dear friends. Thank you all. Mata, Pita, Gutu, Devam, teachers, they are the in the world of education. They are gifts of God who educate us and guide us towards success. They are a great source of knowledge and enlightenment. I invite my dear class teacher to seek a few words about our Mother India.
Good morning to all. Respected Principal, Father Joshi Mayambarambil, Vice Principal, Father Supin Kotur, Staff Secretaries, Pradesh Sir, Sandhya Ma'am, KG Head, Ledana Ma'am, my dear colleagues, parents and my dear little ones. India, the land of diversity, God's own country. Diversity in tradition, language and religion gives our country the status as God's own country. India is a beautiful country in Asia. It is also called as Bharat or Hindustan. It is the 7th largest country in the world. The national flag of India is known as Tiranga or tricolor. It has 3 colors: saffron or orange, then white, then green, and a blue Ashoka Chakra in the middle. Our national anthem is Janaganamana. Hindi is our national language. Our national animal is tiger. National bird is peacock. National fruit is mango. And the national flower is lotus. It has the great Himalayas in the north, Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in the east, and Arabian Sea in the west. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. New Delhi is the capital of India. Yes, we are the citizens of this beautiful, incredible India, and we stand united and proud to be an Indian. Each one of you make it as a point to grow a good Indian citizen. Okay, children.
I am the invite our principal to take a few words.
A very good morning to my dear children. First of all, let me congratulate all my children for the wonderful theme they selected for the assembly. Incredible India. India, our motherland, is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great grandmother of tradition. It is the world's largest democracy and is home to several languages, castes, creed, and also different terrains. The world's most beautiful place, Kashmir, known as the paradise on earth, and Kerala, God's own country, are part of this land. The vibrant and exciting colors of our festivals, the charming and empathetic people, different hues of our flowers, and the verdant forest make our country an incredible and unforgettable sight to behold. India is really incredible. Thank you.
I am Vedapi Anu. My friends are here to present this state, their capitals and union territories. Andhra Pradesh capital is Ahmedabad. Arunachal Pradesh capital is Itanagar. Assam capital is Dispur. Bihar capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Goa capital is Panaji. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Maharashtra capital is Mumbai. Manipur capital is Imphal. Meghalaya capital is Shillong. Mizoram capital is Aizawl. Nagaland capital is Kohima. Orissa capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab capital is Chandigarh. Haryana capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. Kerala capital is Tirunelveli. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Sikkim capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu capital is Chennai. Telangana capital is Hyderabad. Tripura capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. West Bengal capital is Kolkata. I am Jaya UKGB Union Territory. There are 8 union territories. They are Andaman Nicobar Islands, capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, capital is Chandigarh. Dadra and Haveli, capital is Daman. Delhi, capital is Delhi. Ladakh. Jammu Kashmir. Luxury, capital is Karachi. Puducherry, capital is Puducherry. Thank you. I will say Telebi. My friends will sing a patriotic song. Vishalavata, 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 Sunday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe. Vishalavata, Sunday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh dear, in my heart, I do believe we shall all come someday. Myself, Adilaji. My friends and I are here to present a beautiful dance in front of you. Watch and enjoy.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा की नदियाँ भर दे
सुर तुंहिंजे सां प्यारा मिले जॾहिं गीत असां जो मधुर तरानो बणे तॾहिं
I invite Lisa Maria Johnny to say what of dance. Good morning to all. Myself Lisa Maria Johnny. Today I will tell the verses about the dance. It is my pleasure to tell us about the dance. On behalf of my friends and classes of KTV, I would like to our principal Yoshi Mantarani love care. Thank you for that. I would like to Father swimming go to White Principal. Thank you Father. I would like to educate Lena Ma'am. I would my teachers, my friends.